easy_install's prefix option doesn't change where it tries to install my package. I want to install Sphinx 1.1.3 for Python 2.6. However, I don't have sudo rights. So instead of installing it in the default place, I want to set a different location, using prefix. Doing the following gives me Am I typing something wrong with the prefix? Also, what I could use instead, which I've used with other packages. But I can't find the setup.py script. I'm guessing that eggs don't have a setup.py script, is that true?
This website discusses non-root Python installs. It might be useful to you. This URL. To quote a little bit of it. A user configuration file, /.pitastutlas.cfg, will override the internal system path for Python package installations, redirecting the built libraries, lib, scripts, bin, and data, share, into user-owned and specified directories. You must simply tell the Python installer where these directories are located. The user file, /.pitastutlas.cfg, has the following lines, using a pretty obvious syntax. Of course, whatever directories you specify there should probably exist, and you should put them at the front of your Python path. It also looks like more modern Python installations, compared to the things in the link, should be able to use the .local directory. There is also which will install to a user-specific site directory.
You need to specify options before the package, so the command should be
You could try using pip install of easy_install. Pip is recommended over easy_install these days. Then you can just use see this URL on how to install pip if needed. You may also want to pip install virtualenv and work inside virtualenv, where pip will install all packages in a local site packages folder. See this URL for more info.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.